Easychlorgen is Lutz-Jesco's range of electrochlorination systems. These compact units generate low-strength sodium hypochlorite on-site from salt and water. Our portfolio covers multiple capacities, providing safe, reliable disinfection for diverse water treatment applications with minimal operator intervention. This slide explains the electrochlorination principle. A brine solution flows between a negative and a positive electrode. When energized, chlorine is produced at the positive electrode and combines with sodium to form sodium hypochlorite. Hydrogen byproduct is safely vented through a dedicated airflow system. On-site sodium hypochlorite generation benefits many sectors. Typical applications include drinking water, swimming pools and spas, breweries, food processing and crop washing, cooling towers, industrial water treatment, and bleaching processes. One technology can therefore standardize disinfection across your facilities. Electrochlorination is inherently safe because it uses only salt. Salt is easy to transport, handle, and store, with no toxic risk to staff or neighbors. The generated hypochlorite is below 1% chlorine, classified as very low hazard, and below EEC hazard identification levels, simplifying compliance. For commercial pools, Easychlorgen uses an undivided cell without a membrane. This simple, robust design reduces maintenance and is easy to operate. Optimized electrodes minimize salt consumption, typically 3 to 3.5 kilos per kilogram of chlorine, while all models share a compact footprint that fits standard doorways. Hydrogen safety is central to our design. Gas is removed directly from the electrolyzer and routed through a dedicated degassing tank. Both vessels sit in a sealed, ventilated chamber with an air blower that measures airflow. A hydrogen detector in the room provides an additional safety layer. Here we highlight key safety components. The dual-contained electrolyzer and degassing tank prevent leakage. The electrolyzer is enclosed in a clear PVC tube for visual inspection. An integral 250 kWh salt saturator and a water-operated ion exchange softener ensure consistent brine quality and protect the cell. Additional safeguards include an air dilution fan that keeps hydrogen well below 25% of its lower explosive limit, monitored by a quantitative airflow sensor. A quantitative water flow sensor protects the cell from low-flow conditions. Each unit is fully piped, tested, and commissioned before shipment. The Easychlorgen control panel simplifies operation. A bright LCD and status LEDs provide clear feedback. Text messages distinguish healthy from fault conditions, while operator and engineer menus give access to electrical, flow, and alarm data. Volt-free relays and communication ports support integration with plant control systems. This flow diagram shows the standard Easychlorgen process. Softened water and salt form brine, which passes through a venturi into the electrolyzer. The product then enters a degassing tank before reaching the hypochlorite storage tank. An air blower and external discharge point safely remove hydrogen. In the tropical version, a heat exchanger is added to manage higher ambient temperatures. Cooling water maintains optimal electrolyzer temperature, protecting the cell and ensuring stable hypochlorite output. All other safety features, including dual containment and controlled venting, remain unchanged for consistent performance. The compact wall-mounted series offers modular capacities of 25, 50, and 100. Each unit includes a 50 kiloliter integral salt saturator, a local isolator for straightforward electrical connection, and a dual-contained electrolyzer with a clear cover. A quantitative water flow sensor ensures correct operating conditions at all times. Skid-mounted compact units share the same modular design and 50 kiloliter salt saturator, but add integrated product storage of 50 or 200 liters with a containment bund. They are pre-piped and factory commissioned, enabling rapid installation and reliable startup with minimal on-site engineering effort. Installation requires only standard utilities. Provide power, a mains water supply at a minimum of 2 bar, and a drain for softener backwash within 10 meters. A 2-inch PVC vent line must run to an outside wall, and the plant room must have adequate natural ventilation for safe operation. Correct ventilation routing is essential. Vent lines should rise continuously to avoid water traps that could block hydrogen flow. Maximum recommended lengths are 15 meters for 2-inch, 30 meters for 3-inch, and 50 meters for 4-inch pipe. Always design venting to prevent condensation accumulation. An external day tank can be added where larger buffer storage is required. Hypochlorite from the generator fills the external tank, which includes level control for start, stop, and high-level alarm. Dosing pumps can then operate with flooded suction or suction lift, depending on site layout. For smaller systems, an external day tank is not necessary. Low-capacity dosing pumps can be connected directly to the internal product tank outlet. This simplifies installation, reduces footprint, and is ideal where daily chlorine demand is modest and storage requirements are limited. This example shows a 25-meter lap and learner pool facility. Easychlorgen is installed 45 meters from the main plant room, demonstrating flexible siting. 2 motive VDS dosing systems distribute hypochlorite to the pools, ensuring consistent water quality while keeping chemicals safely contained. Here we see an Olympic standard complex with a 50-meter pool, diving pool, and 25-meter kids pool, and Easychlorgen 1100 unit supplies disinfectant, supported by 2 800-liter storage tanks and 3 VDS dosing systems. This configuration delivers reliable centralized chlorination for high bather loads. The final example covers 2 facilities, a 25-meter main and learner pool and a 50-meter pool with a teaching pool. Systems use either motor-driven or motive VDS dosing pumps. In each case, Easychlorgen provides on-site hypochlorite generation, improving safety, logistics, and operational control.